Welcome to Davi Toons Club.
Today we're drawing Metal Sonic, the powerful robotic rival from the Sonic universe, in his original character style. Get your drawing tools ready, get comfortable, and let's bring this iconic robot to life step by step. You'll notice that we sped up the part where we build the skeleton in the first rough sketch, so we can focus more on the line art. But feel free to pause the video anytime to carefully capture those early shapes. Let's start with the robotic eyes, sharp and narrow, giving Metal Sonic that cold, focused stare. Metal Sonic was created by Dr. Eggman as the ultimate rival to Sonic the Hedgehog. He first appeared in Sonic CD in 1993. Metal Sonic was designed to be faster and stronger than Sonic. His personality is cold and silent, making him very different from Sonic's cheerful attitude. The red eyes are meant to show his lack of emotion and pure mechanical focus. Now draw the snout, smooth and metallic, keeping the shape very similar to Sonic's face structure. Notice that Metal Sonic doesn't have a mouth, which makes his expression even more intimidating and machine-like. Let's shape the head, rounded and aerodynamic, designed to look fast and efficient. Now add the metal spikes, inspired by Sonic's quills, but sharper and more rigid to emphasize the robotic design. Draw the ears, triangular and mechanical, keeping them symmetrical on both sides of the head. Let's move to the round torso, strong and compact, built to house Metal Sonic's internal systems. In the center of the chest, draw the energy core reactor, often called a power core, which fuels Metal Sonic's abilities. Add the shoulder plates, rounded and reinforced, connecting the arms smoothly to the body. Now draw the robotic legs, keeping in mind that both legs and arms are almost perfectly mirrored, which makes the drawing process easier. Let's sketch the robotic feet, shaped like Sonic's iconic sneakers, but made of solid metal. If any step feels tricky or moves too fast, don't worry. Pause the video anytime and take it one step at a time. Metal Sonic can analyze Sonic's movements and copy his techniques. Over time, Metal Sonic developed a desire to become the real Sonic. He is one of the most popular robotic characters in the Sonic franchise. The energy core in his chest powers his speed, strength, and flight abilities. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our playlist with other Sonic Universe characters. Just click the card in the upper corner. And tell me in the comments, which character should we turn into a cartoon next? Unlike many robots, Metal Sonic often acts independently. Draw the arms and forearms, segmented with mechanical joints that allow flexible movement. Now add the hands, claw-like and precise, perfect for combat and speed control. Refine the joints and mechanical details, keeping the design clean and readable. The Sonic universe is known for its mix of speed, technology, and colorful characters. Many Sonic characters have multiple versions across games, comics, and animations. For colors, use deep blue for the armor, silver and gray for the mechanical parts, bright red for the eyes and shoes, and yellow accents on the energy core. But feel free to color your Metal Sonic any way you like. And here's our Metal Sonic, powerful, precise, and ready to race. I hope this tutorial has inspired you and that you've had fun. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.